Man charged with murder after allegedly striking common law wife with hammer in her head. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man has been charged with murder after allegedly striking his common law wife with a hammer during a domestic dispute over her attendance at a party. 41-year-old Marvin Autos, otherwise called Bobo, a carpenter of Retreat in Westmoreland, was slapped with murder charge on Saturday following a post-mortem report which revealed that the woman, 35-year-old craft vendor Vanessa Hilton, late of Sheffield and Retreat, died of multiple blunt force trauma to her chest. Reports from the police are that Hamilton and Autos were at their Top Hill district home with Hamilton's two children, which they had an argument over the attendance at a party. During the dispute, it is alleged that Autos used a hammer to hit Hamilton in the upper part of her body, which resulted in her falling to the ground and becoming unresponsive. Authors subsequently went to the Nickel police station, where he filed a report about the incident. He was subsequently arrested on a reasonable suspicion of murder. The police later visited the scene, and on their arrival, Hamilton was seen in a bedroom in the house laying face down on the floor in a pool of blood. On Friday, November 25th, a postmortem was conducted on the body of Hilton, which revealed that she passed away based on blunt force trauma to the chest. Leading after that, the police then made charges against the common law husband with murder. The police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.